Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply install Google Gemini AI on your Android phone. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here, open up my Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the search right here. And you have to come to search app and game and type in Google Gemini. Then click on search. That's going to take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, 100 million plus have successfully downloaded and installed the app. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here, open the full interface of the app. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we need to do is to click on install. After successful installing Gemini app, next thing we want to do is to click on open right here. So it's going to take us right here. Switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. Next thing you need to do is to click on switch. If you key info to access Google Gemini, you can scroll down right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on use Gemini. Then here you are. Stay in the know. Get email with updates from Gemini app. So simply click on subscribe, or better still, you can choose not now. So it's as simple as that. Then from the top right here, you can simply click on here and see different features and different versions of Google Gemini. So as at the time of making this video, there is 2.0 flash, 2.0 flash thinking experimental, and then deep research, personalization, experimental, help based on your search history. It's as simple as that. So you can come down below right here and start ask questions from Google Gemini AI. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video.